In this video, I'm going to go through the final exam review packet. Feel free to pause the video, rewind it. Number 1 says, which graph correctly displays the cost of jeans at $20 per pair? So we're going to look at the graph. We're looking at our rate of change or slope as well as just data points. So the first graph has a data point at 120, which is that one pair of jeans costs $20. There's another one here, which is that 2 pairs cost $40. So far this looks pretty good. Second graph has one pair of jeans at $10 and 2 pair at $20. So I'm going to cross off that answer choice. That one does not look best. And B looks similar to the graph above. However, B has money, which is $1 gets you 20 jeans, and $2 gets you 40 jeans. So that one does not look correct. It also seemed a little weird that it was almost the same exact graph as the previous one. And this one is $1 gets you 30 jeans and $2 gets you 60 jeans, which is a really good deal, but probably not a good answer choice. So for the first problem, we're going to choose answer choice A. That represents one pair of jeans costing $20. Let's go to number 2. The graph below represents a linear function. Which of the following equations represents the graph? So our y-intercept, or b for this graph, is at 0, 4. And our slope is 1, 2, 3, 4. So a rise of 4 and a run of 1, 2, 3. So we're looking for an equation. We'll even build it. That is in y equals mx plus b form that has m at 4/3 and b at 4. And there should be one like that. And it is answer choice D. We're also just going to kind of scan through the other answer choices. This one has a negative y-intercept. These ones have the slopes as their reciprocals. We want to have it be rise over run. Remember, slope is change in y over change in x, or rise over run. We also had y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 if we needed to find the distance between 2 points. Number 3, find the value of x that makes the statement true. So on this one, we're going to be solving for x, even though it doesn't necessarily say to solve. So we'll take the equation. We could also plug in the values, but we'll use that maybe as our last ditch effort and instead just solve. 4 equals 6x plus -8. So first step is we move the x's to the same side. We add 8 to both sides. And we divide by 6. And now it wouldn't be a bad idea to go through and check that the other answers don't work, or to double check or do a verify that the answer of 2 does work. Again, it didn't necessarily say to solve this, but we have to think to ourselves, what is the best way to answer this? What have we done previously? And solving is usually our go-to way to figure out what x is in an equation. Next problem, we have another one that's similar to this. It says, choose the option that would create an equation with infinite solutions. So we're going to write this out. 2c plus 3c plus -4 equals something plus -4. First thing I notice is I don't need parentheses here because there's just a 1, so I don't need to distribute anything. I'm not sure what else to do, so I'm going to combine like terms. 5c plus -4 equals something plus -4. Well, with infinite solutions, what we need is both sides of the equations to be identical. So let's just try something. I have a feeling that it is probably 5c. So if this were 5c, we would subtract 5c from both sides, and we would get -4 equals -4, which is true, which means that there are infinitely many solutions. So we now know that 5c is the best answer choice for the box, And the other ones, if we were to plug them in and solve them, would not give us infinitely many solutions. They might give us one answer, or they might give us no solution. Number 5, what is the solution to the system of equations 2x plus 3y equals 40 and y equals x plus 10? All right, so we're going to take the equation that is already isolated. The other equation is not, and we're going to plug in this in for y right there. So we get 2x plus 3 times the quantity x plus 10 equals 40. 2x plus will distribute. 3x plus 30 equals 40. Next up, combine like terms. 5x plus 30 equals 40. Subtract 30 from both sides and divide by 5. So we already know what our answer is, but we're going to keep going and just confirm this. So we're going to take this and plug it back in up here. So our answer is 2, 12, which is answer choice A. And we can also go back and do a verify by plugging this into the 2 original equations to make sure that that is correct. Number 6, what is the solution to the system of linear equations? Which is when we have 2 lines, we're looking for where they cross or if they cross at all. So for this line or set of lines, we have right here a solution. There's some other close spots here. And this is an x comma y ordered pair, which is at -1 comma 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're looking for an answer choice that is -1 comma 4, which is answer choice A again. These ones are definitely wrong, and this answer choice is similar. It looks like they flip-flopped the parts of the ordered pair. Number 7, you can skip this problem. We have not covered this, and this won't be on the final.